Unique and amazing mid-century modern home in Pecan Valley Estates. 2-story, open floor plan has 3 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3 living areas and tons of storage. The cozy kitchen has many updates to include a propane gas line added just to accommodate the 5-burner cooktop located in the kitchen island, with vent-a-hood above, separate built-in double ovens, dishwasher, painted cabinets including a large pantry cabinet, granite countertops, and stained concrete floors. The 3 living areas provide plenty of space for entertaining or family fun. Nice spacious bedrooms, one having a built-in loft and the master having a nice sitting area or could be used as an office area. This lovely home sits on just under 2 acres of land with circle driveway, 2-car attached garage plus extra parking in back. The property also has private river access just for those living in Pecan Valley Estates. This a dream come true. Take a look today before it's gone.